The travel fee for me to go to Memphis is $200. And I gotta stop doing that because then I be stuck having to clean like 200 some brushes. I need to just go and clean them right then.
Allergies hit differently out here. Came home with my food. I finished the chocolate home now, and
Yeah, by Ashley and Joe. I think I've read Trophy Wife. What did I order? Y'all, I ordered some found meat with rice and and broccoli and cheese and macaroni. We need a trip ASAP. Even if it's somewhat slight. Like I want to just go to Austin and use.
We're gonna ask another question, which is just,